Welcome friends, welcome back to the channel Tech Unbox Pro. Today we are going to take a detailed and honest look at the brand new Infinix 60 Pro 5G, a smartphone that is creating serious hype in the budget and mid-range 5G market. In this video, you'll get a complete overview of its design, display, performance, camera, battery, and overall value for money. Starting with the design, the Infinix 60 Pro 5G looks premium and modern. It features a slim body with a stylish matte finish that feels comfortable in hand and resists fingerprints. The camera module is clean and bold, giving the phone a flagship-inspired look that stands out in its price segment. Moving to the display, Infinix has done an excellent job here. The phone comes with a large AMOLED display offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness levels. Whether you're watching YouTube videos, scrolling social media, or playing games, the high refresh rate makes everything feel smooth and responsive. This display alone makes the Infinix 60 Pro 5G a strong competitor in the budget 5G category. Now let's talk about performance. Powered by a capable 5G processor, the Infinix 60 Pro 5G delivers fast and stable performance for daily tasks like browsing, multitasking, and content consumption. Gaming performance is impressive for its class, handling popular games smoothly with consistent frame rates. The optimized software ensures minimal lag and efficient power usage, making it a reliable phone for long-term use. The camera setup is another highlight. The 108 megapixels AI main camera captures sharp and detailed photos with accurate colors in good lighting conditions. Portrait shots look clean with proper edge detection, while night photography is improved thanks to AI enhancements. The front camera delivers clear selfies, making it great for social media and video calls. Battery life is solid, thanks to a large capacity battery that easily lasts a full day on a single charge. With fast charging support, you can quickly power up your device and get back to work or entertainment without long waiting times. In terms of connectivity, the Infinix 60 Pro 5G supports fast 5G networks, ensuring smooth streaming, quick downloads, and low-latency gaming. Combined with its AMOLED display and powerful internals, this phone is built for future-ready users. Final verdict: if you are searching for a budget 5G smartphone with a premium display, powerful camera, and reliable performance, the Infinix 60 Pro 5G is definitely worth considering. It offers excellent value for money and stands strong against competitors in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Tech Unbox Pro. See you in the next one. Fire cell phone.